picture of elbow. Wiggle your nose. Please sing a song about letters. Can you guess what I hear? Meow, meow. Dance like Ernie. Touch my feet. Use your fingers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now draw a picture of numbers. Do you hear who's come to visit? Show me your toes. Hold up your hands. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's keep playing. Sing a song about letters. Can you guess who's outside my nest? Please sing like me, Big Bird. Clap your hands. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle my mouth. Let's draw a picture of Sesame Street. Do you hear who's come to visit? Use your fingers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a hug. You're terrific. Let's keep playing. I love you. That tickles. Give me a hug. You're terrific. Playing with you is fun. I love you.